everyone, and welcome back. My name is Edna and I'm with ANC Consulting Group. Today, I'll be talking about how some taxpayers who didn't receive the full amount of the stimulus payment may still be able to obtain some additional payments. The full amount of the first round of the stimulus payment was $1,200 per qualified adult and $500 per qualified dependent, and these amounts were based on either the 2018 or 2019 tax return. The full amount of the second round was $600 per qualified adult and $600 per qualified dependent, and these amounts were based on the 2019 tax return. Some taxpayers didn't get the full amount because of income limits. For example, a taxpayer may have received a reduced amount based on their 2019 adjusted gross income, but in 2020, their circumstance changed and they lost some income. Such a taxpayer may still be able to claim additional payment by claiming the recovery rebate credit. To claim this recovery rebate credit, the taxpayer must file their 2020 tax return and complete the recovery rebate credit worksheet that will help them determine how much they are entitled to. This amount will be shown on line 30 of the Form 1040. If the taxpayer is due some refund, that refund amount will be increased by the credit amount. If the taxpayer owes taxes, their tax liability will be reduced by the credit amount. Remember, for you to claim this credit amount, you must not have received the full stimulus payment. If you receive the full stimulus payment, you cannot claim this credit. You are out of luck. That's it for now, and thank you so much for watching this video. For more information, please contact ANC Group at 757-460-3910.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again next week.